Shanghai Dingzun Electric&Cable Company Limited was established in 2005. Over the past 18 years, cable business has grown rapidly, with both wings of domestic trade and foreign sales flying together. Our products range is rich, covering various fields of non-standard wire and cable, such as Teflon series, FEP, PFA, PTFE, insulated high-temperature wire, silicone rubber insulated high-temperature wire, multi-core, high-voltage and high-temperature resistant cable, high-frequency signal transmission coaxial cable, fire-resistant cable, thermocouple compensation wire extra. Our production lines are well equipped with various models of wire stranding, insulation, braid, sheaths, and cable forming to undertake all kinds of OEM business from domestic and overseas markets. The excellent quality of Dingzun brand is well known. We strictly implement ISO 9001 quality management system, pay attention to the online and finished product testing of each production stage, and our products have been certified by many third-party inspection institutions, such as UL, CE, CCC, ROSE, SGS. Experienced R&D personnel are good at customized design for customers according to requirements. Foreign trade team offers dedicated service to all precious customers.
Dingzun Cable warmly welcome your inquiry and patronage.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.